Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm super excited for today's video because today we get to decorate my home for Christmas, and this is the very first Christmas video. I know a lot of people have been posting early and I'm coming right before Thanksgiving, but that's okay because I wanted to take my time to actually do this video. You're going to love this video. It's very curated, it's full of inspirations, and I fell in love with the end of this decoration. Stay tuned guys, let's get into the video. Let's go. This is why you have to invest into a great tree that will last you a long time. This is my third or fourth year using this tree. I'm obsessed. I love the quality of this tree. I don't think I will ever change it. I might even give it to my daughter as she grows up. I love it so much. I just love the skinny tree. My house is not big, and having that small tree, it can go anywhere. As you guys know, it was downstairs last year, which chef's kiss. It was upstairs 2 years ago, over there, if I'm not mistaken. And so this is my fourth year, and the previous years to that, it was downstairs again. So I truly love this tree. Now I'm gonna fluff it and get everything spruced out. My kids are waiting for this day, so I cannot mess up. I have to run after time. Let's go. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Gladys. I'm a small YouTuber dedicated to show you guys how to live the simple and minimalistic lifestyle. If that is anything you are interested in at all, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button and welcome to the family. I love showing you guys how you can decorate your home without a lot of things, how you can reuse the things you already have in your house without purchasing brand new things. And that's what you're going to see in this video. Majority of the things we have here already have been purchased years past, and I love them. There's nothing wrong with them, and I wanted to reuse them. And that's one thing I tell you guys, how you can bring your decoration from your bedroom to your living room to your kitchen, and you can literally reuse everything you have, and there's nothing wrong with that. Now let's get into the decor of this video. The design behind this year's Christmas decor is that I really wanted that whimsical, that traditional Christmas. And I know, right? Can you imagine? It's going everywhere. But God is my witness, my kids are my witness, and people who are next to me, friends and family, are my witness that that is something that I wanted to do. And I talked about it since February, March of last year. But now it has gone viral, and now people think it's a Ralph Lauren thing. But that's what I wanted to do. I wanted that really whimsical, Christmassy feeling, because my kids were tired of the neutral Christmas I have been doing throughout the year. They wanted red, they wanted a pop of color, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do that this year. And so I was on that bandwagon before everyone jumped in, okay? So the design behind here was to go very whimsical, and what I'm using is garlands that I already have. So you use your simple garlands, and you can spruce them up with lightings. You can spruce them up with the pine cones, and that's what you're going to see in this video. And I wanted to ask you guys in the comments, have you started to decorate for Christmas yet? If you have not, let me know why not. Are you waiting for after Thanksgiving? Because people have that type of traditions where they wait or after Thanksgiving before they do it. Let me know. Let's continue decorating, guys. Like I mentioned before, I have never decorated with colors, especially colors like red. But I'm telling you guys, I truly, truly appreciate what it brought to the house. It reminded me of the old traditional Christmas. Sorry guys if you hear any type of goose and gas. I have a baby and several babies sleeping here with me. So I really appreciate the love of the red and the pop of color that it actually brought into the house. Are you adding any type of red or traditional Christmas decor into your house, or are you sticking with your norm? Let me know. After I was done adding my shiny ornaments, I wanted to add some earthy tones. So I added some of my browns, a little bit of my velvet greens, and I'm going to go this year add red for the very first time, ornaments and red bows, which I fell in love with, guys. And my milky ornaments from Texas House from Walmart, I truly loved it. I love the simplicity of them, and these are ornaments you can use every year on different trees because they are neutral colors. So yeah, and I love watching Christmas movies when I decorate. Well, I watch Christmas movies all the time. My kids are aware, but I love watching Christmas movies when I decorate. Guys, let me know, do you guys watch Christmas movies when you decorate, or do you watch Christmas movies in the summer, in the winter, in the fall times? I just love it. It's just something that we love doing in the house. And look at these beautiful bows. I love the simplicity of them. It's just so nostalgic for me. Love it. After switching the movies that was on the Netflix to something more cozier, something more festive, I'm going to go ahead and add these beautiful pine cones that I had for years. Guys, I'm telling you, you can forge this in your backyard, in someone else's front yard, as long as it falls from the tree. I grabbed mine from my neighborhood and it's free, but it brings that whimsical foresty look to the house. And I just love how it's not just glitz and glam, but it has that natural look to it. And just gonna add my beautiful bells. Oh my god, guys, I'm telling you, stay all the way to the end. This house turned out so pretty. And not only that, just to make this place feel very festive, I'm gonna add my beautiful twinkle lights to the garlands that they're already pre-lit, but I'm still gonna add my lights, and it just brought everything to life. If you're still here watching, thank you so much. Grab yourself a cup of tea, hot cocoa if you're a coffee person, and keep enjoying this video. I really wanted the pop of red to actually pop in this house, and not just one small corner of the house to have the pop of red, but to be placed here and there. And I love this wreath that I got from Walmart a few years back. And like I say, I don't even think I have anything new apart from the bows that I placed in the house. Everything is all that I have in my house, and you can do it, guys. You don't need to always buy brand new stuff. So love the things you have. Grab stuff that are really good that you can use for years to come, and if you have to add a pop of color, you can do that, but do not go ahead and purchase all brand new things. It's a waste of money, and you're just adding more things in the lane mind for pollution. So everything here, like I mentioned, I mean, look at this vase. Oh my god, with the greenery peeping out of it, with all the acorns in it. I just love it so much. I'm obsessed with it. And next to it, I'm just going to add my little, I don't know if you call this a bow or a little sculptural thing with the candle, and call it a day. I truly appreciate you guys for being here. Stay tuned for the next video, especially downstairs. You're going to love it. And let me know which one was your favorite part of the Decorate With Me. You do not want to miss the house tour. God bless you guys. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment. This is what makes YouTube increase the view of this video. I would truly appreciate that coming from a small YouTuber. God bless you guys, and to the next video. Bye y'all.